Hello everyone, welcome to the video of trolley setting. Trolley setup can be loosely defined as arranging all necessary cosmetics, disposals and tools in an orderly manner before starting a service on a client. Now, let us understand the prerequisites required for trolley setting in different cosmetology services. The principle of modern hair shaping can be obtained through properly analyzed client features. The key to success in haircut is to highlight clients' best features. Hair cutting or hair shaping is the process of cutting, tapering, texturizing and thinning using hair cutting tools. But before hair cutting, client consultation is important for identifying facial shape, deciding the type of haircut, identifying hairlines and growth patterns, density, texture and elasticity of hair to decide the length of the haircut, selecting tools as per the type of haircut. Only after understanding their requirements, the hairdresser can offer suggestions and professional advice about the most suitable haircut. Procedures related to hair require analysis of the client's condition and sensitivities. After client consultation, note down the conditions, if any, in the client record form. Set up the trolley as per the tools or equipment or machines required for the procedure. Tools or equipments used are barber scissor, tail comb or style comb, also known as a rat tail comb, used in sectioning the hair easily, round brush, sectioning clips, spray bottle, first aid box, trolley. Material used are cotton as required, hair shampoo as required, water as required, towel, alcohol or formalin as required, hydrogen peroxide as required, neck strip. To achieve a pleasant treatment or service, certain preparations are required before starting the haircut. Following is the procedure for setting up a trolley and draping client prior to haircutting. Sanitize your hands. Remove and safely store client's jewelry. Drape the client for shampooing using 2 towels. Secure a neck strip around the client's neck. Set up the hair cutting area. Place required supplies and equipment in the trolley. Help client if they need any assistance. Place cutting sheet on client's neck after shampooing. Before cutting, brush the hair properly. We need to store the tools and equipments appropriately as per sterilization and sanitation rules. Hence, we must remember to clean, disinfect and sterilize the tools and equipment after the usage and before putting them into their place. Ensure safe storage of sharp tools to avoid injuries. Avoid putting sharp tools in uniform pockets. Be careful with electrical equipment. Do not leave the wires or other parts trailing on the floor. Turn off the appliances when not in need. We have learned about the following things in this video. Client consultation is important to understand client requirement and to prepare the trolley accordingly. Performing hair analysis enables the hairstylist or esthetician to select products or tools or equipment to prepare the trolley. Equipment or tools must be stored as per the sterilization and sanitation rules to avoid any cross-contamination. Every tool or equipment must be arranged meticulously to avoid any mishap. The work area should be arranged appropriately to ensure unrestricted mobility. Thank you for watching this video on trolley settings.